quick tutorial how to see startup apps on Windows. I mean, you can do startup apps like this, like the boring way. But if you want to be some kind of extraordinarily purple, so you can also do the Windows key for the R, and there's a different shell script here for the recycle bin folder, but you can also do shell.startup, and then you see all the startup programs. So those are the startup programs which are not like the basic ones. So for example, if I see here startup apps, we have some Copilot or some, which I don't use by the way, but those are some not programs but software in the background which is kind of used. I don't even this has will be somebody else on the PC. Yeah, this is kind of the stuff. And if you have some programs configured, for example, let's say here Microsoft Teams, then okay, it doesn't show up. But yeah, if you want to see it, you can use this command.